It is a bad thing for any human being with all the disorders and affections of the human mind to be the sovereign authority, which ought to be reserved for the law itself. Tinubu is not the sovereign authority in Nigeria. Sovereignty belongs to the people. And every government derives its power and authority from the people. And the people have spoken through the constitution and through the laws that no president should remove elected. The implication is that we don't have democracy anymore. Because if you can remove elected representatives of the people, why would you call them to come and vote next time? If there is an invasion against Nigeria, will Tinubu agree that the military will come and sack him and give reason that it is because of the invasion, and because of the invasion there is a need for a state of emergency, and when there is a state of emergency the president has to go, and then they rule by decree? Because that's exactly what the president did. And you know the difference. If there is an invasion against Nigeria, the law gives power to declare state of emergency. There is no invasion of any part of Nigeria. There is no threat of war. I'm even hearing that Cameroonians are harassing Nigerians in the mangrove. Maybe Tinubu should consider declaring a state of emergency and giving up his seat and inviting another military man to come and take over, because Cameroon is invading Nigeria. Because what is good for the goose is good for the gander. So there's no room for what Tinubu did. As a matter of fact, in my own opinion, it's treasonable. So if it happens, we are no longer in a democracy. We are now in a full-blown dictatorship.